Today's tutorial is the giant standing paper rose. You can find all the materials linked below. I'm using rapid set cement. I put enough cement in a bucket and mix in water until the consistency is like when you make pancakes. Mix in as much as you need. I added a few more additional cups of cement when I needed it. Then I used a plastic round bowl as my mold and poured the cement mixture. Then I added masking tape to hold my short PVC pipe that is wider than the PVC pipe that will hold my actual flower. Then I grab the thinner PVC pipe and tape one side, then completely fill with the sand. I close the other end with tape and heat the area I want to mold with my hairdryer. I'm bending the PVC pipe on the edge of my table. Empty the sand back out. Add the thinner PVC pipe into the cement pipe. You could choose to just add one long pipe. I wanted to be able to take out and lay flowers when transporting them, so I chose to make it detachable. Then paint the pipe with a mixture of green and brown acrylic. Take the plastic mold off the cement and let's start making the flower now. You'll need 20 sheets of paper. I use sets of 5 sheets per layer. I cut the petals in stacks of 5 sheets of paper. Once you have all the petals cut out, I shape them with the PVC pipe, curled in and curling the tips out. Then start gluing around the PVC pipe on the green side. Thank you for following along today. Please take a second and like this video below.